I kind of know a little bit, but and Josh, he's listening. What did you do to this chicken? Let these people understand what we're about to do to ourselves.
All right. So basically, just got a buddy of mine. He is like a pepperhead. That he's all about hot peppers. So this is just dehydrated, crushed, ghost, scorpion, and reaper peppers.
Reaper peppers. Isn't that like the hottest one in the world?
Dragon's breath is hotter.
Dragon's breath is a new one though,
yeah,
right?
Yep.
Probably can't even get a hold of that stuff, huh?
You can. He actually had a couple, but
So
the guy got this one. Yeah,
so your pepper head can get some dragon breath?
He did last year. They don't have any this year. Some guy in Derby.
See where my mind's going?
Yeah.
See where my mind's going?
They thought he was gonna take his dad to the hospital after they ate it because he started having chest pains. He's short breath. Yeah.
Oh shit!
He was like, "Come on, take him to the hospital." But no, so I just took this.
Okay.
I had some. What's that stuff called? Like some hot huli rum barbecue sauce.
I've heard of that.
Yeah, I took some of that, mixed in some. It's called like comatose sauce. So it's supposed to be a hot habanero pepper sauce.
Habanero pepper.
Yeah, and then some Scotch bonnet mango, and then mixed that all up.
Injected it, right?
Sprinkled a whole slew of this stuff. Watered it down a little bit so I could inject it, and then injected what I could. It wasn't sucking it up because the pepper flakes were sticking in my needle, but I injected what I could. So I mean, it's inside and outside. It should be nice and hot. Poured the rest on top. Put a little couple jalapenos on top of it.
I've seen that.
A little bit of lemon for a little bit of flavor.
Well, the lemon though, but see what that does is it citrusizes the meat, so it soaks it up.
Yes, sir. I knew what I was doing.
Hey, Ashley's sister Michelle says I'm ready to watch this horrible idea. And Liz, my sister Liz says, get her done, Nick.
It's coming. So, Chuck, I appreciate you.
Yeah.
You know, doing this. We're gonna dig into this thing and
Have fun.
bring in my boy. Goosebumps.
So,
We
dude,
had goosebumps.
like literally, we tried this earlier.
We did. So,
A finger.
fingerful of that, just little flakes on the finger. I mouse on fire for 30 minutes earlier. Okay,
Retarded.
and that's like a full jar on that thing. So like, so first off, I want to say apologize. I know most of y'all think we're doing the stinky fish. Well, it's still in Sweden. It's not shipped yet.
Thanks, COVID-19.
But when it does come in, we will make sure we give a good notice on what we're doing. I know a lot of people are like excited to see us puke. I guess I don't know.
I'm gonna
So yeah, hey, let's go. So without that, let's talk about that gummy bear that we did last week.
The gummy bear.
Because people were asking us, I'm getting questions. What's hotter so far, you know, or whatever. Right? Like we're doing all hot stuff and whatnot, but they want to know, and this might be the hottest yet. I don't know, because we're ingesting all of that. Like we're like.
Thanks, Chuck Kid.
So we actually because we didn't get the fish, we were like, damn, what are we gonna do? Like we got to do something. Well, Chuck actually challenged us. He was like, you know what? I got something for you. I think you can't do. So here we are. And people, if you got something you think we can't do, I bring on all challenges. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Everything.
That's what we're gonna do.
All of it. Whatever.
So here's what we're gonna do from here on out. So if you think that this will bring us down or hurt us in some weird way, we're gonna give you a thumbs up or thumbs down. So if it is the exact heat and it's rocking, you're gonna get that thumbs up, thumbs down. Yeah, little game plan, a little fun for all the cornhole society out there. If they want to get involved in something, we're just gonna do it.
Yep. It's a good way to get people together and stuff. But so that gummy bear.
All right. So
That motherfucker was hot.
here's my opinion on that. So the toe of Satan,
Worst.
that thing is fucking evil.
The worst so far,
Yeah.
in my opinion.
Terrible.
On heat levels.
Yes. Fucking
But-
terrible.
But the gummy bear on a body level was ruthless.
Ruthless.
You didn't see any of this because afterwards I was burping and belching all night.
Yeah, pain.
At
Straight
2
pain.
a.m. I had this massive freaking just what we call it, heartburn.
Yeah.
Like burp,
down
just
the middle.
so fucking hot. Like 2 a.m. it came in and it did not go away until 6 p.m. the next day. That's 16 hours of heartburn I had off that little fucking gummy bear.
And then the shit. And then, you know, doing that number 2, that was terrible.
Ugh.
It was like, man,
That's what
there
this
comes
is
the
gonna
hot
be.
gates of lava.
So, let's open it up.
Let's do it.
What do you think?
Let's do it.
Let's show everybody what it looks like. I don't even know what it looks like.
Me neither.
Oh, shit.
You're ready, bro. A beautiful gourmet chicken.
Woo! Smell that.
I don't want to smell it.
Can you guys smell that? Smell it. Smell it.
Smell that.
That's a hell of a
Hey.
good.
So, he said, I got something for you.
So,
In case your nose starts bleeding again.
come on.
Because that
That'll
motherfucker,
work.
starts.
Hey,
Okay, I gotta do these gloves.
you got black gloves?
I got black ones.
Let's go.
You got pinkies? Hell yeah. Okay. So
Are you
there's.
gonna stand?
Now I gotta get it over here and I gotta cut
Okay,
it
alright.
and get it kind of ready here.
Start up.
Hey Chuck, how many Scovilles was that, all the peppers together?
If you add all the skulls together, it's somewhere around 5 to 6.
Ugh.
And that's the rub?
Yeah,
That's the rub.
5 to 6 maybe.
So, Chuck has told us it is 5
Damn.
to 6 million Scoville just rub alone.
Right, but you're eating this much food versus a little young, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Like, oh. So we should try one of these jalapenos, huh?
Why not?
Might as well get pumped up, I guess.
One of those 2,500 skulls, something like that.
Yeah.
Man, that is like fresh. That's like fresh.
Those gotta look good.
Oh, you guys.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, all of it. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. That's got a kick on it. That's good
It
though.
does. It does. It's like the lips though.
Oh, this
This-
thing is
this
this is
one, look.
fall apart, bro.
You want to do it?
A lime? You gotta eat the lemon,
The lemon.
rind and all.
Don't worry, we got a cleaning crew for when we're done. We don't want no kids in it either.
Oh shit, bro.
That was like a tangy hot. That is like a pure tangy hot. Fuck me.
All right. Here's a leg for you.
Oh. Yeah, already, and they ain't even made it to the chicken.
Oh fuck. Okay. Oh. Oh.
Why don't you divvy it up first and then sprinkle it?
Yeah,
I'm trying to kill us, bro. It's gonna be cardiac arrest night.
30,000 hours later.
Yes, do not try this shit at home.
ah, they don't have like a. They one of the lemons hot.
Oh my god.
What you gonna do with that little leg right there, man? You got a little bit. That's
Once you
like
cut
a
that on the
little
cutting
teaser.
board, that way it'll cut.
That's
Pan.
Oh, it's done.
My
Oh,
lips are getting numb right now with that lemon.
Hey, you got clean hands? Hey, can someone move my.
Who's that? Is that hot pink? That's nice.
We going in?
He's hungry. He doesn't care about how hot it is. He's just hungry. He's like an animal. Don't let it touch your lips.
Oh.
Oh my god.
when it hits the lips.
It's so good when you hit your lips.
That's good.
It's real good.
There's like some decent flavor, but that shit is good and hot.
You get a lot of sauce injected.
Save some for me. Jesus, I want to eat too.
You want some of this, RD? Man, that's good.
Oh.
What did you just say?
That might have been a bad idea. Oh.
That there's turkey ass.
You do hear
That's a
RD.
turkey ass.
Did you just eat the shit off the turkey?
I'm not
No,
really
I've
for sure.
sprinkled all that in there. But we
up in
didn't
there.
sprinkle it on the leg.
All up in there.
So that bite was hot.
Oh, now we're getting ready to. Now we're getting ready.
Get some thighs.
Oh, he gets you a hot one. Yeah, there you go. Oh man. All the dark meat now.
Y'all would have done white meat first. That's just me.
So this is where you
This is like
injected?
We got hiccups already.
I got most of the breast.
Jesus.
Hey, I'm gonna go take a nap. You guys wake me up when you get done with that. Hey,
What do you think?
is that hot? You guys can't say nothing.
Do we
Hey,
need-
is that hot?
Do we think that Chuck needs to come in and take a bite?
Hey, Chuck, you give her a taster, bud. See how hot it is.
You on?
Come here.
Let's go. See,
Cold Diet Jones?
Yeah.
one little taster
Oh,
for
yeah.
you, Chuck.
Oh, we did?
Come on.
Chuck.
Come on, Chuck, where are you at? There's another pair of gloves.
Oh, that's nothing. Oh, man, he's getting
I don't want all that, do I?
no, dip it back. Oh, he's gonna go for it. It is.
It's hot.
What's wrong with you guys?
Oh.
That's what I did earlier. Same thing. I took a finger of that deal. Oh man.
Baby, you want to try?
It's harder the longer you sit.
Oh.
Yeah, that's that 10-minute gift right there.
How is it like a small little taste? I don't need a big piece.
Here, I'll put it in your mouth.
I'll put it in your mouth.
Ah, that's what she said.
I'll put it in your mouth. Oh man.
I
Chuck's
don't want
not
a piece
feeling
of
too
it.
good over there.
Chicken and mirror.
He ain't feeling too good over there.
Cheers. Oh. What's right there?
Jesus.
You gonna make it?
Chill that fire.
Nope. Hang on.
Hey! Yeah! Let's go!
Fuck you, Chuck.
Hey, wipe your face one more time. Oh, that's your nose. That's done. Now you're done. Oh, dude, you're done. Here, where's your paper towel?
I'm back in.
Back in.
No. Maybe I just spit his.
Let's go. Let's go. You're getting rally.
Goodness, we didn't need the stinky food to throw up. Dang, we just needed Chuck's chicken.
Okay, good.
There you go.
Maybe I made one day, so I messaged y'all. I was trying to get hot chicken. So like fish didn't come in. He's like,
Oh, why would you do that?
You got straw?
Straw? You want to drink that juice?
No.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah,
fresh
I
out of
think
straws.
I
We're
think
fresh
you
out of
guys-
straws.
I think you guys gotta split that
You're
juice.
gonna have to just like slurp it.
Yeah, it's so good.
Just
Just gonna fucking kill you. Shut up.
it's delicious, man.
Connor, I know where you live too.
Uh-oh. Where's the straw?
bitch.
You want a straw?
Jessica said do it, pussy.
Who?
Jessica?
Jessica who?
Oh, Kevin says
Jessica
don't
Gowdy?
be a puss. Do it.
Josh got to slow down. He's throwing up.
Man.
Nobody
like
knows
twice
that.
in a
That's
row.
good. You know he will, Brandy. It don't matter what anybody says.
Dude, my fucking hand is shaking, bro.
This is terrible.
Drink it like
This is
last
terrible.
time. That's it, Brandon.
Oh, the hot noodles? You drank the hot noodles.
That's good.
I wonder what
Did
that
the
was.
beer make you puke?
Yeah.
Well, Lake didn't have much on it. Lake didn't have
Fuck, man.
The beer made me do.
Are you gonna be able to eat that? Yeah.
Adult time. We have like 5 kids.
You
He's
know
good.
he gonna do it.
You know he gonna just.
I forgot it was
Oh,
Party ball!
he got a splash in the eyeball. All I can see is your hand, so you're good.
Party ball.
It's like right here.
Oh, you fucker! Ah!
Oh, it's just like a little mace. It's fine.
Yeah, fucking 9 minutes, 6 bags of scobles, yeah.
Oh, a little bit fine.
just puke.
Now I know when I need to start taking to work.
In the
I'm gonna take Chuck's chicken to work for defense.
Chuck's chicken.
That straw?
Hey, I make a pretty mean chicken.
Yeah, I mean, it looks really good. Like
Don't
I
do a
want
lot,
some,
please. Don't do
but
a
then I
lot.
see you guys.
Here we go.
And I don't want some.
I'm gonna get you a little piece. It won't last a whole long.
No, I mean, it's good. It's good for your sinuses, right?
Bro.
Hey, if y'all got allergy problems, Chuck will
9
fix you
million
up.
pepper spray.
How many we watching?
32.
You're like shaking.
Watch out for that.
Oh God. Sorry.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, bud.
Hey,
Oh, don't drink it.
RD, kick that closer to him.
That's gross.
They gotta be able to see if I'm actually doing it though.
Eat the
Stay away.
chicken.
That stuff will get on you.
Thank you.
Come on.
Hey,
Stay back
eat
here.
the chicken. Don't drink.
Did they get more focused?
Watch out. Back up. He's gonna blow. He's gonna blow. He's gonna blow. He's gonna blow.
Don't do it.
It's a spit.
This spit. He just spit.
Kids, outside. 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 Yeah.
Hey, Jeff McDonald said it's your party and you can cry if you want to.
Hey,
I
COVID,
got this shit in my eyeball.
COVID doesn't have
You
a
missed
chance
it.
against that.
You
You know,
picked it.
that's the natural cure. Diablo! Es muy chingón, vato! It's the Diablo in your eyes, wait. The devil is in your eyes.
Hey, Bill.
Rojo Diablo! Rojo! Then you got
Josh had to go
a little
keep
ghost
playing.
pepper, a little, hey, Chuck, what did you put on that thing?
The Reaper dust on it.
Hey,
Anybody want it? Alright. I finished my half.
I pushed out.
A lot of men wouldn't get halfway through that job. A lot of men wouldn't get halfway through that.
No. How you done?
Alright.
So I finally puked. I did finally puke.
that's my fault.
3 times.
My mouth is numb.
It's like,
Like I don't even feel my mouth.
COVID reaction, yeah.
If y'all got something that you think we can't do, fucking do it. Bring it on. I got some shit in the works. We got the stinkiest fish in the world coming. If he puked on that, we're puking on that, guaranteed.
I'll guarantee that.
Oh, make some room.
It's coming, bro.
Okay.
We got the
He's gonna be on camera puking. He's gonna be on camera puking.
the choco, hot choco
chocolate.
coming.
The white chocolate bar. They donate 50 meals.
We're gonna party ball ourselves. We're doing a C8,
CSOC.
OC mace gas mixture, OC spray. We're gonna party ball ourselves. That's coming.
The non-lethals are out of question, but we are going to probably do the pepper ball paintballs.
Straight to the chest.
Pepper ball gun. Mm-hmm.
Pepper ball gun straight to the chest. Anybody got anything they want us to do?
Thank you.
Bring it to the table. We're always gonna try it. Chuck Kid,
Thank you, sir. That was a good one.
thumbs up, baby.
And it's not over. My mouth's still numb.
Yeah, he gonna puke. He
All
gonna
that
puke.
went in my belly. My guts are gonna be hurting. I told you the nitro fucked me up for 16 hours afterwards. Thanks, guys.
Thanks
Appreciate
for
it.
tuning in.